Sending your logs for a roadside inspection. You are required to be able to send your logs on a roadside inspection. Reminder, knowing how to send your logs is very important. This was the #1 fine and violation given out last year for ELDs by Fmcsa. Everyone must know how to view and send their daily driver's logs. You will have to be able to do this at some point. The following examples are very straightforward and are not difficult, just follow the steps. According to the ELD rule, technical specifications, an ELD must support only one of two possible options for electronic data transfer. The first option is a telematics transfer type ELD. At a minimum, it must electronically transfer data to an authorized safety official on demand via wireless web services. This is the Fmcsa compliant method we have chosen, and it is also very easy. The second option is a local transfer type ELD. This would be via USB 2.0 or Bluetooth. We do not use this method because iOS and Android phones don't have a USB connection. To ensure that law enforcement is always able to receive the hours of service data during a roadside inspection, a driver must be able to provide either the display or a printout when an authorized safety official requests a physical display of the information. The #1 preferred way by Fmcsa is to use the Fmcsa Telematic transfer process. It is an encrypted process and it's very simple, fast, and secure. It transfers directly to Fmcsa server for immediate viewing by the officer. To upload to Fmcsa directly, from your log screen, also referred to as your home screen, you will touch any day you want to look at. So we will go ahead and touch Friday and it will open. And we will see the logs, trips, sign, and share tabs at the top. We will touch the share tab at the top right of the screen. On iOS, you will see a send button, and on Android, you will see 3 dots in the top right corner. Go ahead and touch whichever button you have on your specific device. You will see a drop-down list that says Fmcsa Upload. Touch Fmcsa Upload and the calendar will pop up. Enter the date range of the daily driver's logs, or RODs, you want to send to Fmcsa. If the officer asks you to send the past 8 days, you would touch the beginning date of last Wednesday, September 11th, and touch Done, and then the end date of Wednesday, September 18th, and then touch Done. Then a box will pop up that says Fmcsa Comment. The officer will give you an output identifier number that is your specific number for your audit. Once you put in your output identifier number, touch Submit and you will see a box pop up that says Fmcsa Data Transmission Requested. That is it. You are done. If the officer asks you to send one specific day, for example, like Tuesday, September 17th, all you would do is touch Tuesday, September 17th for the beginning date and again for the end date. A backup way to send your logs, and not the official Fmcsa approved way, is by email. You would use this if the Fmcsa website is down, or if an officer just wants you to send the logs to his or her email for viewing. You may also use this way to email yourself your daily logs. To email your logs, it's the same beginning process as the Fmcsa Upload. From the same driver's daily log, we will touch the Share tab again at the top right of the screen. On iOS, you will see a Send button, and on Android, you will see 3 dots in the top right corner. Go ahead and touch whichever button you have on your specific device. You will see a drop-down list that says Email. Touch Email. If your email is set up on your device, it will take you directly to your preferred email program like Gmail, Yahoo, iCloud, etc. Put in the email address of the person you want to send the logs to. As mentioned earlier for the Fmcsa Upload, the officer will give you an output identifier number that is your specific number for the audit. Put this in your subject line of your email. Once you put in your output identifier number in the subject line, hit Send. Also, if you need to send more than one day of logs by email, you will need to send a separate email for each day, since these files are much larger and these date ranges are not preset. Now you can send your driver's daily logs on a roadside inspection. As always, please reach out to our support team by email at support@fmcsa.com or by phone at 865-888-My20 if you have any questions. Take care, drive safe.